But
Sorry,
last
can you
update
repeat
is
what you said? I didn't get you. Can you repeat?
Sir, last time you talked some agent, he told you about last update is 17 July. You will get the resolution.
Okay.
And now I updated. That's why it's extended. It's showing extended. But last update is 17 July. So I request you please wait till today, 9 p.m. We will get the resolution.
Okay. Then why did you say July 24th just before
Because
some
I
time back?
raised a complaint regarding this again. That's why it's showing. But I didn't see that it already complaint already raised regarding this. So I see it now. So it is showing updated on 17 July.
Okay.
So you will get the
So what was
resolution
the
on
complaint
17
which
July.
I raised before that? Even before that, this is the complaint which is waiting till July, 17 July. And there was another complaint even before that, right? And what was the promised date for that?
Sir, 17 July it is showing.
No, that's
last
a recent one. Even before that, I have raised two more complaints. See, the product was promised to deliver on 9th, so I registered a complaint. Then they have extended it to 11th. Then I registered another complaint. Still, I didn't receive it on 11th. Then I called you. Then I booked another complaint. Then you said July 17th, right? So what had happened the other two complaints? What's update for that? Or what is the action you have taken till now? Just I don't tell me you have registered a complaint. I know you have registered a complaint. I'm asking you what is action taken on that complaint.
Sir, action will taken by concerned team.
Concerned team, I am calling the concerned team. Okay, I am
complaint.
talking to the concerned team. If you are not the concerned team, you tell me who is that. I will talk to them.
Sir, they will call you back. I already forward the consent.
See,
Whatever
I can't
do,
just sit here and
from my
close
side,
my
I
eyes
can
and
do.
imagine somebody is working some things and some I'll get my product someday, some year, somehow. Okay, I can't imagine that. I need proof what is happening on that. Okay, and there is no update from you till now. And I'm calling you. This is the 10th call, I think, and you are promising new days every day. I can't agree with you. I don't understand what you're telling.
Sir, I'm telling whatever I can do from my side, I can do, sir.
Okay, what you have done till now, that you explain me what in a language which I can understand. Okay, don't tell me you have registered a complaint and just wait here, close my eyes. I'm not going to do that. Okay, just tell me what you have done instead of registration and complaint. What is done from your? I mean, when I tell you, it's not you personally. For Flipkart, okay, what Flipkart has done till now?
Sir, we have the authority. Whatever authority we have, we can do from my side.
What authority you have? If you don't have authority, you escalate the issue to somebody who has the authority, who is responsible. If you are proving unresponsible, I can't do anything. When will I get my product? Who is responsible for that? If you are not responsible, to whom should I call and to whom should I speak?
I inform you already, sir. Behalf of yours, I raised the complaint. Wait till
okay, you registered complaint. That is your side. What you have done. But what was the action taken for my previous complaint? What was done on 9th and on 11th? That's what I want to know. Today's complaint, I will call you back in after 2 days. That's okay. I will do that again. So what was the complaint? What you have done for today? That on 9th and 11th. Already 1 week is over. So what is update for that?
Give me one moment, sir.
I gave you 8 days, right? Why do you want one moment again? Just answer my question. Or transfer it to somebody who can answer my question.
Sir, transferring the call is not possible right now.
Okay, then answer my question directly. Don't try to make me fool and give some vague answers. Yeah.
Sir, if you want, I can arrange the call back for you from senior team.
How many callbacks should I receive? This is almost 10 times I called you, right?
Sir, you told me that you want to talk to
me. If you can't answer my question, if you are unresponsible, you can tell that, okay, I will arrange a call back to you and disconnect, okay? That you escape from that. But I want an answer from Flipkart officially. What is happened to my previous complaint, 2 complaints? And this is the third complaint I'm doing. That I'll call you back again after 2 days. Okay, that's fine. I'll call you. But now I want what happened to my previous complaint. That's what I am asking you. Why don't I have an answer? Why are you keeping quiet?
Give me one moment, sir.
Okay.
So I will update you. Give me one moment. Sir,
Okay, tell me.
sir, already concern is ongoing. They will get back to you as soon as possible. They find the resolution.
No. See, that's a new concern what you raised, right? I am asking you
Yes.
on July 9th, what was the complaint I given on
That-
July 9th?
That's what I am.
Don't tell
talking
me
about.
what is happening now. On July 9th, I called customer care, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and what was promised to me that day?
Sir, I understand.
No, just answer my question now.
Taking
Don't
follow-up.
explain. Okay, just answer the question. What was promised me on July 9th?
16 July.
On July 9th.
Sir, there is no last updated. It is showing sir 16 July.
I'm not asking you last update. I'm asking you from beginning. On July 9th, what was promised to me?
There is nothing mentioned already showing. It is 16 July. You will get the resolution.
No, that is the last update. That was on July 11th. What was you promised on July 9th? You don't know how to check your system and what you spoke to me last time. Are you still there?
Yes, I am there, sir.
Okay. So answer my question. What did you promise me on July 9th? And what is the complaint number?
Here it is,
Tell me that.
sir, I can tell you the complaint number, but here it is not mentioned which date we will give you the resolution.
Okay. What was the promise done? If you didn't give any date, what was the resolution? Why? How did you
16
close the
July
complaint?
it is showing. 16 July it is showing, sir.
Okay. What is the
Because
complaint
we are
number?
taking
What is the
follow-up on
complaint
that,
number?
that's why.
Okay. What is the complaint number?
Complaint number is IN 2007 0617 504925276413. We are taking follow-up on that.
Okay. So when was this complaint opened?
Complaint opened on 6th of July.
July 6th. Okay. Complaint opened on July 6th. Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Why should I call you on July 6th?
Sir, here it is last mentioned show. That's why I'm telling you.
Last
Last
mentioned?
6 July, 6 July, you are first time contacting with Flipkart, first time 6 July with this product, for this product. So we are taking follow up regarding this.
Okay.
So concerned
So
team will get
what
back
you
to
have
you.
done follow up till now
Always
from 6 July, how many days over now?
Sir, I understand.
Answer my question, okay? Don't
Always
explain. I am not asking you explanation. How many days over now?
10 days, sir.
10 days. What is the date today?
Yes, sir. 17, 10 days almost.
Yeah,
Almost
it's 11 days.
It is 11. Yes.
Okay. If you don't know that, to calculate that, how are you sitting in customer care? Okay. Okay. So in this 11 days, what you have done? What is update?
Sir, we are doing our work. We are following up. We are giving already follow up regarding this.
Okay.
The
No.
concerned team will get
See,
back to you.
see, when you follow up, what is the reply you got? That you tell me. That you tell me. See, when I
The
see,
concerned team
see,
will
for
contact
example, I am
you.
calling you for an update now, and I am asking you update. I am noting it what you are telling here now. So I have an update. What you are telling is you will reply to me by July 24th. That's what you told me now, right? So when you call the concerned person, did he give you any update, or you just said, okay, sir, I want an update. What you are telling? Okay, you tell me on 24th. Okay, bye. That's what you are doing. Or did he give you any reason why it's late, or how what they are doing? If you are satisfied with that kind of answer, I am not satisfied. Okay, you tell me a clear answer. Why it is delayed, what is happening, and what you did to prevent that in future. That's the answer I need. With that kind of response, how can you run a business like that? What kind of customer support you are doing?
Sir, whatever I can do from my side, I
No,
am
no.
doing, sir.
You answer my. I'm asking you a simple question. You have followed up with the concerned team, right? When did you follow up?
Yes.
When did you follow up?
I raised the complaint today, sir.
Okay,
Regarding
that is today. I have registered on 6th, right? That you are telling, right? So from 6th to today, how many times you followed up with the concerned team?
Sir, agent already raising the complaint regarding this, so concerned team will get back to you as soon as possible.
Answer my question, madam. Are
Sir,
you mad, or are you pretending that
concerned
you
team
can't
will
understand me? I am asking a simple question. From 6th of July, the date I did the complaint, you are telling you followed up with the customer care, and how many times you followed up with them? That's all my question. Is it one time or two times or 10 times, or no? You didn't follow up.
Sir, every agent raised the complaint regarding many
No,
times.
that's now. Okay, now you are doing. Okay, I'll call you again after 2 days. That I'll shoot you then. Now you tell me what happened last from 6 to today. You had 11 days. How many times you followed up this? You don't have an answer. Then what kind of follow up you did?
Sir, concerned team will update you, not us, sir. We can raise
No,
complaint regarding this, so
yeah,
concerned team will get back to you.
yeah. So my question is, when you did the register the complaint to your customer concern team, you don't know. You just throw it to like a black hole and just forget it, hoping that everything will be fine.
Sir, you can check. You got the mail regarding this also on 12th of July.
I know how to check my
Concerned
mail. I don't have any answer in that. That's why I'm calling you now. Okay, if I have the answer in the mail, I should not have called you now. Okay, when I read your mails, I don't understand what is happening from your side. That's why I'm calling you and asking you the question. If I have the answer there, why should I call you? So you tell me how many times you followed up there. You said you are following up with the customer concern team, right? So you never did the follow up. That's my answer, right?
Sir, whatever I can do from my side, I did. If
Did
you want any,
you follow up
sir,
or not?
sir, we have authority to raise the complaint only,
Okay.
and the concern team will get back to you.
Who
And if
is
you
the
want
concern
any
team?
updation, sir, they are a different department.
Okay, you can't tell me the department name. The department don't have a name.
Concern team.
Okay.
Concern team. This is the team.
Concern team.
Yes.
See,
And you got them. If you
if you don't know the department name, how do you register a complaint or escalate to them? You are working in Flipkart. You don't know which department is handling the issue.
Sir, I told you the name concern team. I am raising the complaint.
I am concerned about my problem, so I don't know who is a concerned team. You tell me who is handling the issue. I am concerned about my issue, not your company's issue. Okay.
I told you, sir.
So for me, the concerned team is me. I am concerned about my issue. Okay.
Sir, concerned team will get back to you, and you got the mail. If you want any information, vacant team will work on it. So you got the mail regarding this. You can reply on that. So vacant team will update you.
I did the reply to that. I never got any update in that.
I can do only thing, sir. I can raise the complaint regarding this.
Okay.
And
you tell me whom should I contact to get my answer to my questions.
Sir, you got the mail regarding this. You can reply on that.
Which mail? Which mail you are talking about?
Sir, on 12th July, you got the mail.
What's the subject?
At 10 p.m.
What is the subject?
Sir, this is a message mail regarding they will resolve your issue as soon as possible.
Sorry, what's the subject of that mail?
Sir, here it is only mentioned. They will get back to you as soon as possible. They are working on it, on your request.
From which side it came?
Flipkart site, sir. You can simply type on over there, Flipkart.
No, I am asking the mail. Which mail you are telling? You didn't send me an email?
Sir, 12th of July.
Are you talking about the email or just what is updated in the Flipkart?
Email.
In my email address, right?
Yes.
Okay, so on 12th July. From customer support, right?
Yes, sir.
So it came from a no reply at flipkart.com. How can I reply to this? You are asking me to reply to this mail. It came from no reply at flipkart.com. So when I reply to that, it will go to somewhere. Nobody will answer to me. Is that what you want?
Sir, if you want, I can arrange you a call back. So they will
You answer. You just told me to reply. See what you told me just 2 minutes back. You reply to that mail, right? Are you trying to make me fool, or trying to just escape from my call? How can you answer my question? How can I reply to this no reply at flipkart.com? Who will read my mail? Who will read my mail? Will you read?
Sir, vacant team are working on
No. I don't want anything else. You just explain me what you told me. Okay. You just explain me what you told me 5 minutes back. Did you tell me I am recording this call? Okay, I'm recording this call. What you told me is to reply to my mail which came to my Gmail, which came from no reply at flipkart.com. Are you trying to make me fool?
Sir, I understand your concern. If you want
No, no.
a resolution regarding this,
No, no, no,
can
no, no,
arrange a
no, no,
call back
no,
for you.
no, I don't want the phone, I don't want update, I don't want anything. Just explain me what you told me just now. Am I correct? I have to reply to the mail which I got on July 12th, right? And that mail came from no reply at flipkart.com. How can you tell me to reply to that mail? Just explain me that, that's I'm fine. I'm recording this call, I'm going to post it somewhere, anywhere I want, okay? Just give a satisfied answer, okay, for this. You are representing Flipkart now, okay, not your personal. So I am an angry customer, okay, fine. I have the right to be angry because my order is delayed more than 10 days. There is no update from you. And asking you for update, you are asking me to reply to the black hole, okay, which nobody will answer, so nobody will read. It will just delete there. I know that. That's your customer care. You know I am a Flipkart Plus customer. Do you know that? And is it how you handle a Flipkart Plus member like that? Is that your customer support?
Sir, I am trying my best to resolve your issue, but
Oh, no, no, no.
please,
Forget about the issue. Forget about the issue. Just explain me this, what you told me. You understand my question, right? You forget all the question, all the other questions which I asked you. Just explain me this now. How can I reply to no reply at flipkart.com?
sir, I didn't know about that it is.
How can you not know about this? You are the customer care, right?
I didn't check, sir. I really apologize for that.
How many times I asked you to confirm which email you are talking about,
Sir,
right?
I'm telling you, if you want, I can arrange the call back. So senior team will give you the
No, 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 no,
information.
no, 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 no. That you can arrange later. That's fine.
Whatever I have information, I am telling you. But you are asking this question. I have no answer. And if you want answer, I can arrange the call back for you.
Okay, okay, that's fine. You can arrange call back for me. When will you arrange a call back?
I am arranging this right now, and within 24 hours you will get the call back.
Within 24 hours. That means July 18th. That will be again 12 days after my complaint, right? Okay, fine. And how can you tell me to reply to this email? You meant to reply to this email, right?
Sir, I thought you can reply on this mail. That's why I'm telling you.
Yeah. How can I, if I reply to this, okay, I'm in front of my computer. I can reply to this mail now. Okay. I'll try. Yes. Dear sir, please update the. Okay, please update the status of my complaint. And I am replying to this. Okay. Went. So what happened?
Sir, if it is showing you can't reply on this mail, so you don't have to, sir. I am arranging the call back.
I got a reply. See, mail delivery subsystem address not found. No reply at flipkart.com because the address could not be found. That's a reply I got. Is that the update you want to give me?
I told you. Sir, I am arranging a call back for you, so senior team will.
Okay, okay. That I will. Okay, regarding my issue, my phone issue, you arrange a call back to me. But you have the responsibility to explain me what you asked me to do. Okay, and you explain me now. How can I reply to a mail from no reply at flipkart.com?
I told you, sir. I really apologize. I didn't check.
Why did you apologize? Why did you apologize? Yeah. What is the mistake you did? You tell me that, and you apologize.
I didn't check, and I told you that.
What you didn't check? What you didn't check?
That it is no reply. You can't reply on that.
Okay. So how many years you are working in Flipkart now? You don't know an email comes from Flipkart will be from no reply, or are you expecting, or is it only for me you are sending like that from no reply, or other customers get address which they can reply to that, or is it like that? You have done something for me so that I will not reply to this. Answer my question. So if you are expecting some customer to reply to some mail, so there will be a system like that, right? If there is no system like that, how can you ask a customer to reply to this mail? And when I see my mail, I can't reply to that. So what should I understand?
Sir, I already apologized for that.
For what? I didn't understand for what you are apologizing. For making me a fool, or for sending the mail from a no reply ID, or for just noticing that you didn't notice the mail came from no reply, because usually the others get mail ID which they can reply to that. For that you are apologizing me, right? No answer from you.
Sir, I already apologized for this, sir.
I'm asking you, why did you apologize?
I already informed you that I give them wrong information. That's why I apologize.
Okay, what wrong information you gave?
Sir, I already told you that I told you wrong. I give you the wrong information that you can reply on this mail. I didn't check because, sir, many times customer want to add their account number, so they get the mail regarding this and they can reply on that. That's why I told you.
Yeah.
So you can reply in this
So
mail.
my question is, every time a customer can reply to this mail, but only me, why I'm not able to reply to the mail? Why is it
Sir,
that?
it is a system generated mail, sir.
Okay, system generated mail. So you are telling other customer can reply, right? That's why you, without checking, you told you can reply to that, right? Only for me, why it's like that?
Sir, I request you, please. I am arranging the call back for you. You can ask them. They are senior team. You can ask them, and they will give you the resolution. Whatever you want to ask.
Okay, I want the call back in 5 minutes. Okay, I can be online. You can forward the call if you want. I can't wait another 24 hours.
Sir, within 5 minutes, within 5 minutes it is possible. I can simply transfer your call, but right now it is not possible. I can arrange you a call back.
Why it's not possible to transfer?
Sir, due to COVID-19 issue, I can't transfer the call. They are
Okay.
not available right now. I can arrange the call back, so they will call you back.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.